morning and welcome to our channel. It is 7:48 in the morning on Saturday, October 11th. Okay, so we are packed up and we are driving to a track that we have never shown on the channel called Wylee Dragway. It isn't my favorite of tracks. We are going because my dad has an event. Ooh, that's me. We're going because my dad has an event here every year. We haven't gone here a ton because, I'll be honest, the maintenance of the track has kind of gone downhill a little bit. But we're going here to support my dad, of course. It's 43 out, so I'm hoping we can get a run in before it gets really hot, and hopefully, and by really hot I mean 55.
51.
Yeah, I mean 50s, but it would be nice to be able to have like a really low DA pass finally. Dad, he went through a solid red light. Yeah. So we're supposed to be following my dad. He literally just went through a solid red light. So yeah, we'll see how today turns out. I'm not going to set any expectations. I'm not going to set any goals, but in my heart, I know what I want to run. So I guess we'll see. I'll walk you guys through what we do as far as prep, and then procedure.
You mean unload it off the trailer and pull into staging?
I'm going to kill him. Husband up for sale. Anybody want him? Where's Shad? Shad will take you.
That's fine. I'll go hang out with Shad.
Shad, your husband's here. Got him for you. I was keeping him warm. So, all right,
yeah,
guys.
It's Fat Boy Fall now, so.
Please, someone take him off my hands. All right. Wish us luck and appreciate you guys' support.
I'm not allowed to talk anymore, so.
Yeah, you're not allowed to talk because you say the wrong thing.
No.
You guys asked for Brian on the channel. This is why you don't. This is why he's not there. Because he's just good as a busy bee.
Oh, thanks.
And again, a lot of questions on that. Speaking of Brian, SN updates are going to be coming very, 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 very soon. So we're going to be working on that. If you are new and haven't seen anything on the SN, Brian has a 94 teal SN95.
Sexual teal.
Has a sexual teal SN95 that has been down for a few years, and we are coyote swapping it.
All my media for it came after it was broken.
Okay, so wish me luck in life and with him. So we will be checking in once we get to the track. Definitely not a personal best. I can tell by how bad it's spun. Hi.
Nice pass. Hi, sweetie.
Thank you.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Nice pass.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mile per hour still isn't up. Oh, but it's back. Mile per hour is back up. Crappy 60 foot. Mile per hour is back up in the 8th though, so that's important. That's what we were worried about. 970 at 149. thought they could test four-wheel drive on here. So I raised it up on the converter a little bit, but I walked that one out and it didn't feel like it spun that bad. So I'm gonna be 100% honest. I've been very frustrated, and it's not with the car, because I thought it was a car because I thought it had an issue, which is not frustration, it's more fear. But really, like, the frustration has lied because every single weekend we're doing this, and I feel like the prep is just terrible every single time, and I hate that we're wasting every single weekend trying to get the car to at least run to where it was at. You know, we're not even getting close. We're not even getting close to the 930.
I'm coming, sweetie. Sorry about that.
No, you're okay.
There
Thank you.
Darling. You're welcome.
Yes, thank you. Brian tells me, walk it out more. Get back more practice at walking it out. Literally can't walk it out anymore. It was a 6.69 at 115. That was my 8th mile. My ET was 10. So frustrating.
What a hell of a burnout you just did in this box body. Now let me tell you something right now. If you guys just hold that burnout, that ought to let you know this is one angry kick. Wow, check out the Mustang here, the left lane, go against the catfish. Don't sleep on that box body in the right lane, y'all. We got
felt like it. Whew, God. I needed that to raise my spirits. Even if the time isn't good, I really needed that because I was getting very, very frustrated. And just the announcer, he was hilarious. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but he was like, do not underestimate that chick in that Mustang. She angry and she's coming. I needed that a lot. So, as I was explaining earlier in the video, I've been very frustrated, and I know you guys say not to take it seriously, and it's not that it's serious, it's just that, like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's not like it's the end of the world. Like, I'm still gonna go to work on Monday and, you know, live my normal life, but, you know, I want to achieve these goals and I want to do better. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm not looking. Where are we parked? Gotta put my glasses back on. Where are we parked? There's a fair chance I went the wrong way because I couldn't see. Oh no, I'm going the right way. Yes! Oh my God. So it is a personal best. It's not like fast, but it's definitely, it's back to where the car was. Whew. Okay, so nothing's wrong. The transmission's there because we were afraid that the transmission was having issues. Phew, God. God.
What it do? What it do?
Yes.
9:18 at 1:51.
No. 9:37.7. So it's a personal best by a 100th.
At what though?
150.
All right. Well, that's faster than it did before.
All right.
How'd it feel?
It felt like I needed that to not be so salty about the car anymore. But
That bitch left.
I could feel it. I'm gonna pull it up like to the moon.
I'm gonna put it. Actually, let's leave it there. Let's set someone else up on a grudge race so we can get another run in. But
step by and take a look and see what they got here. Get out with them.
It almost picked up 2 miles per hour in the 8th.
We also got the concessions. If you're hungry, grab me a Pepsi, grab me a cheeseburger, hot dog.
oh yeah, your 60 is still kind of slow.
We got
So
So we can pull it up.
what'd you pull? 15?
Honestly, I didn't.
You won though, so I'm sure you.
Wasn't quick at all.
I'm sure you had no idea. That car lifted tire up probably higher than your hood.
That car did?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see it. I was gonna say, he didn't seem very quick. I just didn't. I knew I didn't spin, and I was like, okay, this is it. Technically, it is it, but not what I was looking for.
Well, I'm sure this headwind isn't helping at all.
So thank you guys for checking out another video. As you can see, some of the frustration was cleared up, and we are accrediting that to the active exhaust. And even if it wasn't, I don't even care why at this point, because I'm just very excited and very happy that nothing is majorly broken with the car. So as you guys see, I kind of have a little bit of an intro. I also actually have a ton of merch still left. If you guys are interested, please message me on Instagram. It's also that1320chick. So basically not going to talk long, but I have a lot of really cool exclusive stuff coming to the channel that I can't wait. I have the SN and I have the Mach 1 updates coming soon. So a lot of cool stuff going on before the end of the season. And again, cage is being ordered. Mod Nationals is next, so the car is probably going to sit on the trailer or probably sit until Mod Nationals. Don't want to beat the crap out of it before a really big event that we've been waiting for, and then after Mod Nationals it's going to be completely tore apart. It's already ready and scheduled to have the cage installed. So going over some safety stuff, what to do with seats, harnesses, things like that. So we are doing the whole 9 yards. All summer of you guys asking about what's happening with the cage. It's going to be a 10 point, it's going to be 850 cert. So I think that's all I have for you guys right now. But I will be going to SEMA and Mod Nationals for sure. So thanks again for checking in. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, let me know if you guys like these videos and what else you guys would like to see. Have a great night.